my friends, come sing with me. We're picking berries. 1, 2, 3. Red and purple, black and blue. Berries are fun for me and you.
Strawberry, red and sweet, the perfect snack I love to eat. Heart-shaped fruit so bright so red, I pop one in, then nod my head. 1 strawberry, please, the perfect snack I love to eat. Heart-shaped fruit so bright so red, I pop one in, then nod my head. 1 strawberry, please. Raspberry soft and pinky puff, tiny tasty, never tough. I find them hiding near a tree. 1 for you and 1 for me. 2 raspberries, please. Blueberry tiny, round and blue. In my basket, more than 2. I pick them fast, I pick them slow. Where do all the blueberries go? 3 blueberries, please. Blueberries are big and bold, purple black with juice so cold. I pick 1, oops, now 2 more. Sticky fingers, I want more. 4 blackberries, please. Berry, berry, big and small, I love to taste them all.